how to make money on Upwork as a language translation specialist. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started with creating our account, and here we choose to apply or to join as a freelancer. Then click on apply as a freelancer. Then you fill the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. Then you click on create my account. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So I'm going to log in with my email and my password. Then we will proceed to setting up our profile. So here, as you can see, create your profile. And as you can see, this is the last step of creating the profile, 10 out of 10. So let's go back to start from the first steps or the beginning. So let's just go back. And here, this is the first step. So let's get started. Click on the get started button. And here you have a few questions. So let's answer them with the right or the answers that fits our situation. And you do the same with this other question. And for this last question, make sure to choose all of these boxes. It's just an advice, guys. You can choose the one that you want. But for me, I'm going to choose all of them three, even the third one. Then click on next to create a profile. So here you can either import your profile information from LinkedIn, or you can upload your resume if you have it on your desktop, or if you want to fill it out manually. It will take less than 5 minutes. It will not even be more than 5 minutes. So I'm going to choose to fill it out manually, start a new profile, and here you enter your skill, which is language translation specialist. Then click on next to add your experience, and here you add your previous work experience. After that, you proceed to add in your education. So you can add your education history in here. After that, you proceed to add in the languages that you can speak and write. So English is a must in the platform. You cannot work in here without English. And here you choose your level in that language. For me, I believe that my level in English is conversational. I still have some work to do. And here you can add other languages. For me, I'm going to add 2 more languages. The second one is my native language, which is Arabic. And the third one is French. I've studied it in school. So here you enter your level in that language. I'm going to go with native in Arabic and basic in French. After that, you click on next to add your skills. So here you have some suggested skills, as you can see: translation, language instruction, and the maximum is 15 skills. So let's enter the suggested ones first. Then let's proceed to see what we can find else. Language. So here let's go with language interpretation, translation, and here let's see. Let's go with language translation. It's not language, large language model, natural language generation process, under business, conversational language, wireless markup language. So I think that's enough for the skills. and then click on next to write an overview. So here guys, you write a bio to tell the world all about yourself, and this is an example of a bio. As you can see, a small text and some bullet points. So guys, in order to enter a good bio for your profile, you will just need to go to ChatGPT and enter, I'm a language translation specialist, give me a bio for my profile and for my Upwork profile, and it will give you a very good bio. You will just need to add some personal information to it and verify the bio. Then you can copy and paste it in this space. And for me, I'm going just to take Marty's bio. I don't want to make the video very long by going to ChatGPT. So it's just settle for this bio, then click on next to choose your categories. So here you can search for a service in this category, or you can just choose the suggested one, which is translation and localization services. Then click on next to set your rate. So here you can enter your hourly rate. Let's go with $20 per hour. Then next to add your photo and location. So here you add the date of birth and your location. And then for uploading your photo, make sure guys to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip art, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So keep that in mind guys. And after you're done with creating your profile, this is how you can improve it. I'm going to show you the method I use personally to improve my profile. So I'm going to log out to start from the main page to show you how I improve my profile. So here all I do is that I go to the search box in top or on top, and then I enter my skill. Then I click on search to find all of the people that are doing or offering the same skill in the platform, and I try to find the highest earners in the category. So here we have more than 40 grand, more than 60 grand, and when I find the highest earner in this category, I try to see or to find what is he doing differently than me in his profile and what is working for him, and I try to imply it in my profile. And after that, to find work easily in the platform, you will just go to find work, click on find work for your skills, and go to this search box again and enter your skill, and you will see all of the listed jobs that are looking for someone with your skill. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.